In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can set up automated responses in Facebook Messenger. Think of automated responses as like auto-reply emails when you go out of town or when you're offline for an extended period of time. I'm in my Facebook page, Nautilus Designs and Training. I'm going to go over to Settings. In Settings is a lot of information, but I want to focus on messaging. And in this case, since I'll be away from my computer for a couple days, I want to set up auto reply so people know that I will get back to them in a couple days. Down here under Response Assistant, I'm going to choose Stay Responsive when you can't get to your computer or phone. I'm going to click on, and by default, this message comes up. But I want to change something because by default isn't very smart. Under Change, I'm going to scroll down the page and it's going to show me an example of what the message will look like. Cool, that looks pretty straightforward. But here's the thing. Hayden Adams will always come up no matter who sends a message. That's great if that's me, but I want this to be personalized to whoever sends a message. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select Hayden Adams. I'm going to leave a space after the word hi, and I'm going to say add personalization. From here, I can do one of four things: person's first name, person's last name, or person's full name. To make it professional, I'm going to say person's full name. Now what's going to happen, oops, I had a space after my name and the comma, so I fixed that. Now what's going to happen is it'll still say hi Hayden Adams. However, the person's full name will replace wherever my name is. Hi Hayden Adams, thanks for your message. We are not here right now, but we'll get back to you soon. A customized automated message just helps you connect to your customers even if you're away from Facebook for a couple days. To lock it in, I'm going to say save. And now you've set up a personalized greeting like an auto response to an email, but through Facebook Messenger.